right, so just like before, we have our collision going on here. So we'll say sprites dot on overlap, and we're going to have it be sprite kind dot player overlapping with sprite kind dot projectile, which is the ball. And then we'll have our function like we did before, arrow function, and inside of here we'll say player, or we'll say paddle maybe, and ball. Doesn't matter what we really call these. We actually don't need to pass in the ball because we don't need to use the ball that we pass in because we have it here, but what do we do here? So we need to do the logic the same way as before, where we're going to check if the ball hits the side of here. So we'll recreate that, and we're going to say bounce paddle. So we'll say function, it was bounce paddle, and we're going to pass the player in there. So this is good. These are going to be like our blocks in the previous one, or paddle, I guess. Paddle, which is going to be our sprite. Okay. Now we don't need our top or bottom bounds. We only need to do left and right, fortunately, but we do need to actually do left and right. So we're going to say let left, so the left side of the paddle, left paddle equal our paddle dot x minus paddle dot width divided by 2. Let right paddle equal paddle dot x plus paddle dot width divided by 2, and then we're going to say let left ball equal ball sprite dot x minus ball sprite dot width divided by 2, and then right ball sprite dot x plus ball sprite dot width divided by 2. So now I have the left bound of the paddle, the right bound of the paddle, and the left bound of the ball, and the right bound of the ball. So now we're going to say if, and remember, so we're going to imagine that the ball hits the right side of the paddle here. So if left ball, I might have had these backwards before. I might have called them paddle left. I can't remember. Whatever. Either way, it's fine. Left ball is, in this case, less than right paddle, and right ball is greater than right paddle. Then we want to set our velocity to be positive. So we'll say Vx equals absolute value of Vx. Oops, Vx. There we go. Do this again. Else, or sorry, if, and we just repeat this thing, but all we did was we changed this to right ball and left ball. Wait, no, we left these the same, didn't we? We just changed this to left paddle, I believe. Let me calculate this. Left paddle. So the left side of the ball is less than the left side of the paddle. That means it's on this, yeah. Right ball is greater than left paddle. I believe that's correct. I'm trying to remember exactly. Sometimes it's hard to really visualize this stuff well. And we do negative absolute value, and then we're going to set ball sprite.set velocity Vx, Vy, Vx, and yeah, Vy. There we go. It's not going to do anything now because we need to put this bounce paddle into here. And we pass our paddle in. Let's see if that does anything when we actually, oh, it did. Cool. Okay, cool. It actually is hitting both sides of the paddle. Let's see if it hits the front side as well. Nice. Cool. That's actually working exactly how I want it to. Boom. Yes, I love it when it just works. Holy cow. All right, so very cool. We've got our left paddle working. In the next one, we're going to kind of create AI for the right paddle. So it's going to try to follow along with the movement of the ball, and it's going to try to return it.